Episode 3, Meeting a New Friend. Slow and Clear English Podcast. Beginner A1, A2.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow and Clear English.
Hi, I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
Today, we will talk about meeting a new friend.
You will hear useful sentences for introductions, small talk, and asking simple questions.
We will practice sentences like, nice to meet you, where are you from, and what do you do?
This episode is for beginner English learners.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Listen carefully, follow the conversation, and try to repeat useful sentences.
Let's begin.
Hi, excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. You can sit here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you waiting for the English class?
Yes, I am. Is this your first class too?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Me too, but I think it will be okay.
I hope so. My English is not very strong.
That is okay. We are here to learn.
That's true. We are here to learn and practice.
Exactly. My name is Jack, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Do you live near here?
Not very near. I came by bus.
How long did it take?
About 25 minutes.
That is not too bad.
No, it is okay. What about you?
I walked here. I live close to this building.
That is lucky.
Yes, walking is easy, and I don't need to wait for the bus.
I like walking too, but only when the weather is nice.
Me too. Today the weather is good.
Yes, it is sunny, but not too hot.
Perfect weather for walking.
Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from Ankara. What about you?
I'm from London, but I live in Istanbul now.
Really? How long have you lived in Istanbul?
For about 6 months.
Do you like Istanbul?
Yes, I do. It is beautiful and very interesting.
It is also very crowded.
Yes, very crowded. The traffic is difficult.
Traffic is difficult in many big cities.
That is true. Ankara is also a big city, right?
Yes, but Ankara is calmer than Istanbul.
What do you like about Ankara?
I like the parks, wide streets, and quiet cafes.
That sounds nice.
What do you like about Istanbul?
I like the sea. I like walking near the water.
That sounds beautiful.
Yes, when I see the sea, I feel calm.
That is nice. Do you work in Istanbul?
Yes, I do. I work at a small company.
What do you do?
I work in marketing.
That sounds interesting.
Sometimes it is interesting, and sometimes it is very busy.
Most jobs are like that.
Yes, what about you? Do you work?
Yes, I work during the day, and I study English in the evenings.
That sounds tiring.
Sometimes it is tiring, but I want to improve my English.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to speak with people from different countries.
That is a good reason.
Also, English is useful for work.
Yes, English is very useful for work, travel, and the internet.
Exactly. Why are you here? You already speak English.
I speak English, yes, but I am here to help and also to meet people. I am learning Turkish.
Really, Turkish is not easy.
I know. Turkish grammar is very different for me.
What Turkish words do you know?
I know merhaba, teşekkür ederim, and günaydın.
Very good.
I also know chai.
That is an important word in Turkey.
Yes, tea is very important here.
Do you like Turkish tea?
Yes, I do. I drink it almost every day.
Then you are learning Turkish culture too.
I think so.
Maybe I can help you with Turkish.
That would be great. And I can help you with English.
Good idea. We can practice together.
Yes, You can practice English and I can practice Turkish.
That sounds fair?
Do you know anyone in this class?
No, I don't. You are the first person I met.
Then we are already classmates.
Yes, and maybe new friends.
I hope so.
Do you have many friends in Istanbul?
Not many. I have a few friends from work.
It takes time to make friends in a new city.
Yes, it does. At first, everything feels new.
New city, new language, new people.
Exactly. It can be exciting, but also difficult.
I understand. When I start something new, I feel nervous too.
But talking to one friendly person helps.
Yes, it does.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like reading, walking, and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies and family movies.
Me too. I like funny movies. I don't like very sad movies.
Same here. I want to relax when I watch a movie.
Exactly. What kind of books do you read?
Simple novels and personal development books.
Do you read books in English?
Sometimes, but I read easy books.
That is a good way to learn.
Yes, I don't understand every word, but I understand the main idea.
That is enough at the beginning.
I hope so.
Yes, you do not need to understand every word.
That makes me feel better.
What about music? Do you like music?
Yes, I do. I listen to slow music when I study.
I do that too. Slow music helps me focus.
Do you study Turkish every day?
I try to study 10 or 15 minutes every day.
That is good. A little every day is better than a lot one day.
I agree. Small practice is important.
I listen to English every morning.
What do you listen to?
Simple English podcasts, slow conversations, and beginner lessons.
That is smart.
Sometimes I listen to the same episode many times.
That is very useful.
At first, I understand only some words.
Then after listening again, you understand more.
Exactly, it feels good.
That is progress.
Small progress is still progress.
I like that sentence.
Me too.
Do you want to practice a simple introduction?
Yes, that would be useful.
Okay, I will ask you questions.
Okay, I'm ready.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ankara.
Where do you live now?
I live in Istanbul now.
What do you do?
I work during the day and I study English in the evenings.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like reading, walking, and watching movies.
Very good.
Now it is your turn.
Okay, ask me.
What is your name?
My name is Jack.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Where do you live now?
I live in Istanbul now.
What do you do?
I work in marketing.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like walking, reading, and drinking coffee.
Of course, coffee.
Yes, coffee is important.
That was a good practice.
Yes, introductions are easier with simple questions.
And simple answers.
Exactly.
Can I ask another question?
Of course.
What is your favorite place in Istanbul?
My favorite place is near the sea
Why?
because I can walk, drink coffee, and watch the boats.
That sounds peaceful.
What is your favorite place?
I like quiet cafes.
For reading?
Yes, for reading and studying.
Maybe we can study together in a cafe after class.
That sounds nice.
We can practice English and Turkish.
Good idea.
Do you usually feel comfortable speaking English?
Not always. Sometimes I feel shy.
That is normal.
I worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
I know, but it still feels difficult.
Try to speak slowly. You do not need to speak perfectly.
That helps.
And if you don't know a word, you can ask.
For example, how do you say this in English?
Exactly.
Or can you repeat that, please?
Very good sentence.
And can you speak more slowly, please?
Excellent. That is very useful.
I need that sentence.
Many learners need that sentence.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Of course, that was perfect.
Thank you.
Look, the teacher is coming.
Oh, good. I'm less nervous now.
Me too, talking helped.
Yes, I'm happy I sat here.
I'm happy too. I met a new friend.
And I met a new friend too.
After class, would you like to have coffee?
Yes, I would. But for me, tea.
Of course, tea for you, coffee for me.
Perfect.
And we can practice simple introductions again.
Yes, practice makes it easier.
Exactly. The more we speak, the easier it becomes.
That is a good lesson for today.
Meet new people, ask simple questions, and speak slowly.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Exactly.
Now let's review some useful sentences from today.
Repeat them slowly if you want.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ankara.
Where do you live now?
I live in Istanbul now.
What do you do?
I work during the day.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like reading and walking.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Very good. Now answer a few simple questions.
Question 1. What is your name?
You can say, my name is Jack.
Or I'm Emma.
Question 2, where are you from?
You can say I'm from Turkey.
Or I'm from Ankara.
Question 3. What do you do?
You can say, I'm a student.
Or I work in an office.
Question 4, what do you like doing in your free time?
You can say I like reading.
Or I walking.
Great job. That's the end of today's conversation.
Today, we talked about meeting a new friend.
We practiced introductions, simple questions, and polite sentences.
You learned sentences like, nice to meet you, where are you from, and can you repeat that, please?
Try to use these sentences when you meet someone new.
Listen to this episode again.
Repeat the sentences many times.
Do not speak fast.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.